Your investment is up 50%, but have you actually made any money yet? That depends on whether the gain is realized or unrealized. An unrealized gain is a profit that exists on paper, but you haven't sold it yet. You bought a stock for $1,000, it's now worth $1,500. That's a $500 increase, but it's unrealized. It's not real money in your pocket until you sell. Unrealized gains are also called paper gains. They can grow, they can shrink, they can disappear entirely if the price drops. And here's the key, unrealized gains are not taxed. The IRS doesn't care about what your portfolio is worth today, they care about what you sell. A realized gain is when you actually sell the asset and lock in the profit. Same example, you bought a stock at $1,000, it's worth $1,500 and you sell. Now that $500 gain is realized. It's real, it's in your account, and it's taxable. Once you realize a gain, you owe capital gains tax. In a previous video, I already covered capital gains tax, but at a high level, it's short term if you held it for a year or less, tax as ordinary income up to 37%, long term if you held it for more than a year, taxed at 0, 15, or 20%. If your investment drops in value but you don't sell, that's an unrealized loss, also a paper loss, and there's no tax benefit yet.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am.
If you sell at a loss, now it's realized, and you can use it to offset gains or deduct up to $3,000 against ordinary income. I'm Christian with SwoleTax, keep taxes simple, clean, and stress-free.